Well, guess it's almost time to break the internet again. Always busy.
These things reach.
Man, I am pumped to show you guys. I haven't seen them both together yet, but when I picked up my OG Demon from my brother's shop, Coyote Direct, after getting it bagged and it was laid out, I was like, ooh, baby, I need more of that immediately. So today, what we're doing, I'm headed over to my gym. I've got Jacoby, who's my media guy. We're going to do some photos and some videos, because if you follow me on Instagram, you should, at CALIBOYKEV. We are going to break the internet, because that's what we like doing. But I am super pumped to show you guys that I am the only person in the world who is retarded enough to A, bag a Dodge Demon 170, because, well, why not? And B, bag an original Demon because, well, why not? I'm that person. I think after today, I think I get the crown or the title of King of Bags. But I'm excited to show you guys. Let me pull up. We'll get these cars out, and I'm going to show you what they look like. And be honest, I know some of you guys don't like stuff on bags, but, you know, as time has evolved, more and more people like it, and I personally love it. We are in my bag Trackhawk right now. So let me show you guys what they're looking like. I can't wait. All right, before I show you guys the two Dodge Demons, real quick, I need to give a shout out to my brother, David Van Voris at Coyote Direct. If you have a Charger, Challenger, 300C, or a Magnum, there is now a CALIBOYKEV Air Ride Kit that you can buy directly from our brother's website. I don't get any commission from it, but if you do want to go support on my brother's website and go purchase from him, I'm going to link it in the first comment and in the description below. Thank you guys for always supporting, and get ready to see something crazy. All right, so here you guys go. Sorry if it's a little windy, but what do you guys think looks better? I still think the OG looks better, but I mean, talking. This looks just like old school muscle car though. And these haven't come in yet. They come in next week finally. So that's the only thing I'm missing. But ooh, killer, 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 killer. Also, let me show you guys the trunk. Dave at Coyote Direct killed it. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So. All right, so we just got done shooting. It's cold as hell outside. So I can't believe, it was a very surreal moment. I was driving the Demon 170 and Jake was driving the OG Demon, and it was just like one of those things like, holy shit, like I have both of these cars. I don't know, super weird. So the yellow one, it still doesn't feel real that I own it. It's super weird. Misa did a great job on the PPF, amazing. My brother did a fantastic job. He bagged the 170. He's bagged, obviously, the OG. We had a buddy of ours drive all the way from Midland and got his Charger bagged. So if you guys need any work, you can hit my brother. He's always hooking people up with stuff. So, man, it's crazy, though. It's wild to see in person, and hopefully you guys like it. If you don't, I mean, whatever, no big deal. But if you stayed this long, I do need to tell you something. The Viper bags have been bought. So they are a custom manufactured air suspension kit. It'll have the strut and the bag already on it. Unlike the Trackhawks, 300Cs, Challengers, Chargers, where you can just put the bag on top of the OEM strut, this is a completely custom job, and I'm pretty pumped to put them on. It takes 5 to 7 weeks, hopefully 5, but it'll probably be closer to 7. In that time, I'm gonna get the car PPF'd, and then I have to show you guys something that I bought. It's the most expensive thing I've ever purchased as far as like an accessory goes, I think. Don't know. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the Demons. We're having a car show, car meets, Caffeine and Cars, on February 22nd at my gym. We are doing a coat drive, so it's cold. So if you want to come donate coats, we're going to do that for people who can't afford coats or hats or whatever. Otherwise, it's always free. You can always come out. It's fun. It starts at 10 a.m., probably lasts till like 12 or 1. It's a good time. So any cars are welcome and invited, but I will see you guys then. Also, I'll be at Texas 2K, so excited to see everybody there. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have an awesome day, and I'm out of this bitch.